Hello everyone, this is SpeakUP. Today, you'll be learning how to say some parts of a home in Filipino. It would really be fun to know them and to use them when you get a chance to talk to locals. Let's start with Kwarto. This is room or bedroom in English. Kwarto, 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 Kwarto. Saan ang kwarto mo? Ito ang kwarto ko. Wala akong kwarto. Banyo. This translates to restroom or toilet. Banyo. 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 Saan po yung banyo dito? Saan ka pupunta? Sa banyo po. Pupunta ako sa banyo. The next one is Kusina. This is kitchen in English. Kusina. 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 Saan ang kusina? Wow, ang laki ng kusina. Doon muna ako sa kusina. Sala. This translates to living room in English. Sala. 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 Saan si Mark? Nasa sala. Upo muna tayo sa sala. Maluwang ang sala. The last one is Garahe. This is garage. Garahe. 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 I-park mo ang kotse mo sa garahe. Nasa garahe ang kotse. Maluwang ang garahe. These are just some parts of a home in Filipino. Now, let's practice. This is bedroom. Kwarto. Restroom or toilet. Banyo. This is kitchen. Kusina. This is living room. Sala. This translates to garage. Garahe. I hope you find these words useful, especially if you want to talk about your home to some locals. Try using these words and you'll surely surprise some Filipinos. Thank you for watching. Paalam po.